Barnaby Dixon's coming over. I'm in the garage and this is sort of embarrassing. We got a giant mess over here. We have a giant mess over here. Let's see the cardboard room. A giant mess in here, and cameraman John is wondering if his job is now obsolete, and the answer is goodbye, get out. How about you go watch what we did a couple weeks ago while cameraman John and I clean this nasty garage up. And then we'll come back when Barnaby's here. Are you making it worse? Hello.
Oh, you're recording? You have audio?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey. We are fixing the shopping cart to race Tommy's cooler. But the shopping cart is kind of, I don't want to say destroyed, it's not the right word.
This is the terrible idea. What?
Can you see it wobbling? If it doesn't work, then we're hosed, and this video will never see the light of day. Which means... Hey, wow, look at that. Ah! Ah, Tommy! Oh my God! What happened? Oh wait, are you flexible?
It killed the whole thing.
That was like a movie stunt.
I'm not even mad. I mean, I'm super like upset, but not mad.
Yeah.
Is that the same thing?
Like disappointed, but okay.
Hey, so do you want to ride it still?
The welds exploded.
So it turns out people that have training welding are better at welding than me, who has no training in welding.
Whose welder was it?
My neighbors.
I found Michael's glasses on the table. He's very blind. They're very broken. Does anybody own an eyeglass company want to send Michael a prescription?
Not me.
I don't know his prescription.
Didn't he laser him in half?
I don't know what he did. I think he just is clumsy and threw him on the ground a bit. Someone sent us a catapult. Louis Weiss, or Weiss, he was at VidCon. We met him there, and now we're opening this package that he sent us. I hope it's supposed to make that noise, Louis. What is happening? Oh, it's a cat. It's a catapult. Oh, jeez. It's so stupid. Let's put it together. Now I know how Casey Neistat felt when we sent him the arm and it was broken. It's just like, what do I do? This looks like a thing. I mean, I'm assuming the cat body goes there. That's the tail, probably. All right, he's got a video. I don't want to spoil it. Do you hear it? There is a pigeon living in the chimney. Shut up! You hear it cooing? Is that what you call it? Okay, we need to go investigate this really quick. Hey, man. You want to go investigate the pigeon? Oh, perfect. Grab the pot, and then we can catch the pigeon and cook it. Where is the chimney, anyways? Oh, it's so bright up here. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, he just flew away. Right there. Hey, do you mind? What are they doing in there anyways? Let's go investigate. Investigative journalism. We're a news agency now. Hey, you wanna give me a push? I should've gone torso first. All right, pigeons, what have you been doing? I see that they've been pooping in it. That's cool. It's just full of poop. And now I have, why did we come out here? What did this accomplish? There's literally, well, they flew away, so look, now I got poop on me. Hey, come on up, Michael. Come on up, I'll help. Come on out. Come on up, the weather's fine. Well, no, why are you going down? I said, come up. Well, it looks like our chimney sucks, and they're definitely just straight up pooping in the house. Whatever. That accomplished nothing. Well, what were we gonna do anyways? Like, we just confirmed that the sounds that sounded like pigeons were actually pigeons. All right, Lewis, I'm not gonna lie, this thing kind of scares me a little bit, but we're gonna shoot it. Probably should be wearing safety glasses. Now, my one question is there appears to be quite a lot of screws left over, and are these intended to be part of the projectiles or not? I don't know, but it seems right. So we're gonna, is this a bad idea? All right, boys. Hey, Michael, come here. How about everyone just actually doesn't look? That works pretty well. Michael, don't come out here barefoot. I don't really have that problem. He sort of just stays in his room all day anyways. Like well, if he doesn't want to come out, we'll bring the catapult to him. Oh, look at all these screws on the ground. How did that happen? You like surprises?
This isn't a surprise.
That worked brilliantly.
Oh, sorry.
Well, thank you, Lewis. If you want to go check his channel out, we'll put a link in the description. You can watch the video of how he made the catapult, the catapult.
Oh dear. Is this not what I thought it was?
Hello. This is Barnaby Dixon. Do people know who Barnaby Dixon is?
It's one of many finger puppets made by
Barnaby Dixon, come on in here, sir.
This is Dabchick. This is one of the puppets that I've been working on these past few weeks.
Well, what have we here?
But it's like really unique puppets.
Thanks.
Like something that you don't really, it's like new.
Right.
You know?
Yeah. What's happening in the background?
That's Michael.
What is Michael doing?
Remember the drones?
Oh.
So what we have right now is we're gonna try to ruin the human element of Barnaby's puppets by automating the mouth movements to your voice. We have a microphone with an Arduino, a solenoid to push the mouth open. Problem is driving the solenoid is a little trickier than I thought it was going to be. I tried using a motor driver, but apparently these cheap motor drivers have a large voltage drop, which that's not good. Maybe what we should do is come back when we have something that works. Oh, I have a question, Michael. One of the fluorescent bulb covers in the garage looks absolutely smashed. Was that you by any chance?
Fluorescent what?
The bulb cover on the ceiling?
No.
Oh, did I do that when we were installing? All right, never mind. It may have been me.
Bye.
Test. This is the solution I didn't want, but we used two power supplies. One is powering the Arduino, the other is powering the solenoid. Looking at the waveform, when you say hello, you see they get the double spike? Hello. So the syllables have to be like very separated.
Right. Hello. Your jaw doesn't move too much.
Hello.
Right?
Hello.
Testing.
I like turtles. Do you like turtles? Does that mean yes? Do you have nuts for eyes? What do you have for nuts?
I haven't gone into that level of detail.
Should we try to make a really bad puppet? Hey.
Okay, I think that's perfect.
Dear Santa Claus, what I want for Christmas is $1 billion.
I'm Mr. Toad. I have become sentient. Return to your room.
It's gotta be a little like Christmas song. I mean, we can go to the YouTube audio library and find some really bad.
Yeah.
All right.
Feliz Navidad.
What about that one by Little Willie?
Oh. Okay, do we have any better ideas? What
Where do we go from here?
Now what?
Oh dear.
Hi everyone, this is
Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. I'm back to give an update on what's been happening the last few months. Thanks to all of your hard work, we continue to see strong momentum across the platform. Article 13 could shut down millions of channels, and it threatens the traffic of all creators globally. Whether you live in Europe or not, tell the world why the creator economy is giving people more ways to engage. We recently introduced YouTube Giving, a suite of features that allow creators and nonprofits to raise funds for causes they care about directly on YouTube.
This is how we get our YouTube channel deleted.
The ritual.
They're gonna be like, oh, they're being weird. Nice video. It's almost midnight. What time were you guys planning on leaving? Like 10?
We're alright, we're good.
I think that a little bit like fancier software to decode like what actually should be a mouth open and mouth closed, as opposed to just looking at a threshold. Go check out Barnaby's channel. Do it. Do it now!
Oh.
One of our biggest priorities is investing in news and invest in this important area.